Hi students, problem number 11. Find the accelerations A1, A2 and A3 of the three blocks shown below if a horizontal force of 10 Newton is applied on the 7 kg block. So in the previous two problems, we have applied the 10 Newton individually on 2 kg and then on 3 kg and determined the accelerations. Now the third case is what? 10 Newton is acting directly on the 7 kg block. So now let us assume the common acceleration. Let us assume the common acceleration of the system is equal to A. So the total mass is 7 plus 3 plus 2 kg into the common acceleration must be equal to the applied force 10 Newton. So 12A is equal to 10 implies A is equal to 10 by 12. Therefore, the acceleration is equal to 10 by 12 is what? 5 by 6 meter per second square. So, this is the common acceleration. Suppose if the 2 kg mass and 3 kg mass are not slipping over the blocks, then all the three must have the same acceleration, is it not? So for that we have to prove that the 2 kg block is not slipping. Okay, so first let us consider the 2 kg block. So the pseudo force on 2 kg block. Okay, the pseudo force on 2 kg block, let us take F1 is equal to M1 into A. So that is 2 into 5 by 6, that is equal to 10 by 6. So 10 by 6. And this is now equal to 5 by 3. So F1 is equal to 5 by 3 Newton. Whereas the maximum frictional force between 2 kg and 3 kg. So that is equal to what? Mu 1 into 2 into g. So this is 0.2 into 2 into 10 and this is equal to 4 Newton. So you can see here that the pseudo force acting on the first mass 2 kg is 5 by 3 Newton. So 5 by 3 is less than 4 Newton. Therefore, no slipping occurs. Okay, no slipping occurs. So next one is between 3 kg. So pseudo force on this combined block 3 plus 2 kg. So let us call it as F2 is equal to 5 into A. This is equal to 5 into 5 by 6. That is equal to 25 by 6 Newton. And the friction between the 3 kg block and the 7 kg block, let us take Fs2. So this is equal to mu 2 into the mass above this 7 kg block is 3 plus 2. So this is 3 plus 2 into 10. So this is equal to 0.3 into 5 into 10. So this is 15 Newton. So 15 Newton is the frictional force under 25 by 6. So here also 25 by 6 is less than 15 Newton. So here also no slipping occurs. So all the three blocks must move with the common acceleration. Therefore, the acceleration of the 2 kg block is equal to that of the 3 kg block and the 7 kg block, and that is equal to 5 by 6 meter per second square. Okay, I hope you must have understood well. Fine.